In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Microsoft OneNote. If you're new to OneNote or just looking to organize your notes more effectively, this guide is perfect for you. Tags are incredibly handy, allowing you to categorize and quickly locate your notes with ease. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the most of this feature. First up, let's talk about applying a tag to your notes. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. Once you have your notebook open, decide on the specific text you want to tag. This could be anything from a single line to a complete paragraph or even a bullet point list. With your text highlighted, navigate to the Home tab along the ribbon at the top of the page. Here you'll find the Tags group, which offers a few different icon choices. For our example, let's use the To Do tag. Simply click on the tag icon you wish to apply, and voila, your text is now tagged. You'll notice that a little checkbox appears next to the text, which comes in handy if you've got tasks to track. Now, let's say you've completed a task or no longer need a tag. Removing a tag is just as simple. Select the tagged text again, ensuring you're still in the Home tab. You have two options here. Either click the same tag icon again to remove it, or if you're dealing with multiple tags, click the drop-down arrow next to the tags and select None to clear the tag entirely. This flexibility makes it super easy to manage your tags as your work evolves. Next, searching for tags brings an entirely new level of organization. Head back to the Home tab and look for the Find Tags button, which might resemble a magnifying glass or be labeled accordingly. Clicking this will open a tags summary or search pane, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. In this pane, you'll see a list of all the tags that have been used across your notebooks. This summary is incredibly useful for getting an overview of your tagged items. To find a specific tag, simply click on it in the list, and OneNote will present you with all the pages where that tag appears. Once you find the information you need, click on the search result, and you'll be taken right to that particular note, making information retrieval a breeze. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with tags in OneNote. Tags are an excellent way to keep your digital notebook organized and efficient, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Keep practicing these steps, and before you know it, you'll be a tagging expert. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tagging.